how to make a Fiverr gig image on Canva. So go to whatever account you have. You could use your free version of Canva, but you will have more power if you use the subscription. But anyways, once you're here, go ahead and press on create. But before that, there's some templates you can use if you'd like. You can take a look at those. But anyways, go ahead to create. If you want to start from scratch, go to your custom size and then make sure you are using a 1280 by 769 like so, which is going to be recommended by Fiverr, the recommended size by Fiverr. Then just go ahead and press on create a new design. Here you could choose a clean background. There's going to be some templates over here, but what's most important is that you add your service clearly. I'm not really sure if this is a service, but pretty much this depends on what kind of design you want. Over here, this is literally super basic, no design whatsoever. That depends on you. You can change fonts, you can add more elements over here. Pretty much so much creativity you can do, especially if you have a subscription. But keep it short and readable. Use elements over here like the shapes, the graphics, not really animation since it is going to be just an image, but avoid clutter since your goal is to stand out while staying easy to understand. But once your design is ready, make sure everything is aligned and readable even at smaller sizes since Fiverr thumbnails appear small in search results. Download the image as a high quality PNG over here in the top right, press on share and then press on download. You can choose either PNG or JPG, but depends on you. You could toggle these on if you have your subscription, but just go ahead and press on download. And then before publishing, you can preview how it looks on your Fiverr to ensure the text isn't cut off and the design grabs attention quickly. So it's simple, clear, and eye-catching designs that will help you with this. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.